Oh, hey there, Cory Mann, Poseidon Ponds Landscaping. I got my teams out, working, being safe in this crazy world. I haven't shot a video in forever, obviously. We haven't been doing a lot of stuff, so I haven't been able to do that. Today, I came out to visit the team, and they're actually on an old water feature. This is a small ecosystem pond with a aquascape mini set up on it. So you can see here, this is what they call the 1000 biofalls, and then they've got the small old school mini skimmer, mini skim they called it. What we're doing here today, working on this biofalls is tilted over the years. We've got some low edges on liner, the plant growth over here. Obviously these plants are always seeking out water, right? So they're growing right up where the water's coming from. We're getting a lot of wicking happening, but also this thing is tilted. So behind, we're digging out, making sure the connections are all good. We don't have any leaks going on back there. But occasionally over the years, depending on your location, you might have to reset something like this. Some of the soils, like clay, when they freeze and thaw, they'll move things and shift things. So really what we're doing here is just trying to reset this, which ends up working out pretty good for the client, because then they get a whole new look on a waterfall. So you're kind of refreshing it every so many years. In some cases we never have to do it. But here we were losing some water, a little bit of some tight edges, so we got to move the rocks out of the way, reset everything, level it, make sure things are all tamped down and in place, and then we get to reset the rocks and put stuff back together. So wanted to shoot a quick video, say hello to everyone, make sure that you're all staying safe and staying healthy, and we're excited to be back doing what we love doing. And this is a short little video just showcasing just a quick little renovation repair. So thank you so much. You need to get information from us or get a hold of us for something, 734-726-5061, or reach us at www.poseidonponds.com. Thank you so much.